Today, I brought in our tasting expert, Jack Bishop, to help me with a really special experiment. We're gonna taste some chocolate, and you are the chocolate tasting expert. But first, I wanna know what kind of music you like to listen to.
All right, this already felt like a setup, and now you're asking me about my music taste?
No, I'm just curious.
Salsa.
Uh-huh.
So I have two millennial daughters, so I actually have listened to a lot of rap.
Okay.
You know, you probably didn't see that coming.
No,
Dan.
I didn't. No, that's a surprise to me.
And I listened to a lot of like vocalist alternative music. How does that sound?
That sounds great. Well, so those are all really good music styles. We're not going to listen to any of those today, but we are actually going to listen to some music while we taste this chocolate. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you try sample A, we'll play a track, and then sample B, and we'll play a track. Really paying attention to the sweetness, the bitterness, how it melts, all that good stuff.
Okay.
All right, let's go with sample 1 here, and we'll play the first track.
It's chocolate. It's good chocolate.
It's good chocolate.
It's a bittersweet chocolate, which I like. Some espresso notes, some roasted notes. It melted fairly nicely. It would be something I would eat more of.
All right, well, you might get a chance to go back to it, but first we're gonna jump over to sample B here. We're gonna play a different track.
Okay.
So what did you think of sample B?
I thought it melted very nicely. So it was actually very similar, A and B. They were high quality chocolates in the sense there was no grittiness. This one seemed more like what I would call a hipster chocolate. It was actually too bitter for me. For me, the sweet spot is somewhere around like 60% cacao when it comes to eating chocolates, and those like 70% cacao, sort of lower sugar chocolates. I don't know.
They're like a little too much.
They're a little too much.
So, Jack, what if I told you that they're actually the exact same chocolate? Would you believe me?
I believe you're trying to trick me.
So I am trying to trick you a little bit, but it actually has nothing to do with the chocolate. They are the exact same bar. They're both our winning Ghirardelli 60% cacao bar. The only difference was the music that we listened to.
Okay. Tell me about that music, because neither of the tracks were very good.
So here's the interesting thing. We all know that it's about 80% of flavor is made up of scent. That's something that I learned from you. But did you know that the sound around you can contribute to the flavor of something as well? The sound around you influences how you perceive the food that you eat. Higher pitch music, like that first sample, can make food taste sweeter, while lower pitch music, like the second sample, can actually make it taste more sour or bitter. So the big takeaway here is like, pay attention to what you're playing at your dinner party.
All right, so I should be like having up-tempo, happy music when I'm eating chocolate?
When you're eating dessert, maybe you want it to be a little bit sweeter? Exactly. So we've actually posted the music on americastestkitchen.com, and you can do this experiment right at home. Thanks so much, Jack.
Thank you, Dan.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.